Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to view all the notes you've added to your Instagram Reels and posts. Make sure to stick around until the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I've also included some useful tools and apps in the description, so check those out after you're done watching. To see your notes on Instagram, first, open the app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. A new screen will pop up. Scroll down to the How You Use Instagram section and select your activity. At the top of the screen, you'll find different options. Under Interactions, tap on Notes. Here, you'll be able to view all the notes you've added to your posts and reels. That's it. Happy exploring!